Welcome to Williams & Brothers and Concept Restoration. Just a wee update on the 2007 Iveco. We've done a few extra bits and pieces. Put the bug guard on, sun visor, prepped, glossed and lacquered all of the exterior plastic. So the mirrors, the scuttle panel, rapted and painted the front grille and blacked out the Iveco. What a difference the black lacquered mirrors make, and the trim there, scuttle panel I should say. Also did the black up there on that panels. Also painted the bumper and wrapped the inserts and then lacquered it. So that's come up really well. Obviously the alloys and tyres are now on. Fantastic job. All of the wheel arches have been done and everything has been schultzed. The colour-coded plastic trim is now on. Also a spare wheel carrier. That's a little taste of what the graphics are going to be like. Imported them from America, 3 mountain ranges and a load of squiggly 3D style bits. Put a spare wheel carrier on the back, cover to go over it. Obviously the roof rack's on. We have some wood to deck that. Internally, doors have been completely carpeted and the whole boot area has been lined and carpeted. Looks fantastic. Rapted the floor. That's a lovely finish to that. All carpeted, top to bottom. Very pleased with that. Gloss black trims as well. Have the reverse camera, you can just about see it, little Pioneer one. But yeah, coming on well. Still a lot to do, a lot of cleaning to be done. Inside is absolutely manky. We've got a really nice stereo system to go in. We've got some Rockford speakers to go in, brand new speakers. Everything needs to be cleaned. Rockford punch speakers. 2 of those, 6x4s I believe. And then if we go in here quickly, we're also putting that in. Kenwood powered enclosed subwoofer. So the sound system should look absolutely fantastic. But it's coming along well. Solar panels in, 3000 watt inverters in. Timing belt's been done. Needs a good clean inside. We'll get to that. Mood lighting, 6 LEDs have put in. New, what's that thing called? Roof light. You've got the inverter, solar panel charger. Needs a very good clean and finish off. But the black has come up superb. Really pleased with that. Really pleased how well that's come up. So there we are. What have we got to do left? Check those wheels out as well. Brand new wheels and tyres. And as I've said, everything's been schultzed and undersealed. 8 litres of underseal. All the plastic's on. What we've got left are 2 window motors, window switches to put in. Fuel gauge is not working. There's not enough feed going to the sender unit. So have to do that, which is the plan this week. Get the bumper back on once I've figured out what the wiring issue is. Get the reverse camera linked up and the speakers in, amplifier in, a darn good valet. Deck the roof rack at the top. What else? quick oil service, oil and filter service, and then take for an MOT. But look at that paintwork. Absolutely flawless. Not a dent, not a mark, absolutely no rust whatsoever. I'll mop the whole vehicle and give it a hand polish. Probably will also supaguard it, which gives a 5-year protection against going flat, dull, acid rain attacking it, or bird poop affecting the paintwork. But there we have it. It's taken a lot of money to get to this stage, and it's also taken a lot of time. I've been on this since about the middle of April, and it is about a week away from being finished. Just a couple of things that I'm actually waiting for. Anyway, thank you very much for watching. Hopefully the next video will be the full walk around of this lovely camper. Oh, the decals have got to be put on. There's a lot of them. But yeah, I mean, it should look absolutely incredible. Fully off-grid camper van, low mileage, absolutely immaculate. Thank you for watching. Please like and subscribe and help us with our journey. Really enjoyed doing it. All the very best.